Hello, we're going to learn how to create a table inside of a proof of service for if we have two addresses that we want to serve. This will be a way that you can include your addresses inside the proof of service without having to create a service list. So I'm going to go up here to Home and scroll over to Insert. Now, right before we insert the table, we want to make sure that the table is not going to be inserted into like the middle of the address or too far above or below the location we want it to go. So I have my cursor here right below the last of the text related to the address, and I'm going to go back to the insert where I see the table. There is a drop box, so we're going to click on that. I want to get a 2x1. That is telling me that it is 2 columns in 1 row. And it also shows where it would be located on the document. So that is the location where I want it to go. I'm going to click on it. I'm going to drag down the address inside of my first column. I'm just going to do a quick copy paste here, but I'm going to change up a little information for a second address. We're going to just give it a little different email address. Now we have 2 addresses for our service. You can either keep the lines here where the column lines are visible. However, if you do not want to keep the lines, we are going to go up. Where's Home? And we're going to go to Borders. There's a drop box. We're going to click on that. And you will see here that bottom, top, left, right, and outside are highlighted. We want no borders because we do not want that to be seen. So I click on no border. I'm going to bring my cursor back over to the other column. I'm going to go back to borders and I'm going to click on no border. And now the borders have been removed. And this is how you create a table inside of a proof of service.